We are headed to the chiropractor's office. I had my prenatal appointment yesterday, and baby is posterior, which means face up instead of face down. We've
Facing
still got
the belly button.
Yes. So we've still got plenty of time, but we want to make sure that everything in my hips is open enough for baby to be face down, which makes it easier to come out and makes labor a lot less painful. So we are gonna go see him, see what he can do, make sure everything is in good working order, and then also just fix all the aches and pains that I'm currently having, which are par for the course when you're pregnant. Pregnant.
You are.
I am. I look worse when I sit like that. There. It's not
close.
so big.
Did you find a toy? Bring in the bump?
Oh,
They were a
sorry.
little sore.
Sorry, can't do. Sorry,
They
I'm
were
doing
sore
one thing.
after walking on the sand at the beach for the week in Florida.
That's amazing.
But, yeah.
We're video documenting it, her pregnancy. Is that okay?
No, that's fine.
You cool?
He's fine.
All right.
Let me pull out a pencil.
That gets a lot of views.
Actually, let me pull it out. Make sure that I don't, move.
Yeah.
Press down with this foot.
Push down.
Yeah.
Wow.
Woo!
There's Zor. Oh, that hurt up here. On my back.
There we go.
Oh, that's sore right where you touched.
I can hear.
Are you watching, bud?
Very good. This one we're going to do a little bit different. There we go. Fix it one more time.
My neck was way.
Oh yeah.
Hey, come here.
Promise you.
Come
I
here.
had a bad
You're getting in the way.
migraine headache, and I could tell it was.
Neck
It
away.
like, well, the whole thing on Sunday, was it Sunday, Scott, that I'm like, I need help because it just froze all the way down
Saturday.
this arm and I couldn't move, and it was just, oh yeah, it was Saturday.
Yeah.
It was really tight on
Yeah,
that
it was
side,
brutal.
Just like, zzz. Like I can't move. It really hurts.
Taste. Everybody.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
There we go. Something good. Oh, there it went. Perfect.
oh yeah, that's sore on that one.
Okay, hold on, because that shoulder's involved. Go like this.
Okay.
There it went.
Oh,
Perfection.
Okay.
Is that like fun for you? Like
yeah.
to hear that pop, you're like, yes,
Oh,
got it.
Yeah. This is the best show in the world. I mean,
Yeah.
it's microwavable medicine.
Yeah.
It'll get better immediately. You know.
Oh,
Oh, buddy.
you helping?
It just gives about 23 to 27% more room for baby. And then I go where it's comfortable.
And that's comfortable the other way.
It's comfortable to go head down. It's always comfortable.
Well,
to
then
go
maybe only head down.
No, sorry.
Sorry.
Sorry, that's what I mean. They go where it's comfortable, so it's like they just kind of, oh yeah, that's the spot.
Okay.
But it all goes down the room.
Okay.
Like if you have a thing in your face, you're gonna, like,
Right.
you know.
So then, how we'll just watch it and then
Yeah.
I'll come see
I
you.
would, seriously, within, between 1 and 3 visits and you're done. It's really easy.
Okay. Well, I'm due in a month.
Yay!
Okay, everything's good. Doctor said that baby now has enough room to flip. Already head down, but just needs to reverse facing the other direction. So we'll see if baby can find some way to do that. I am just less than a month away from meeting this baby, and everything's getting bigger and a little sore, so the chiropractor helps a lot.
There's midwife.
Yep, there's the midwife's place, but we're not going to be there. That's where I go for my appointments. Anyway, So, chiropractic is helping. Hips are kind of sore. Scott's being a trooper, and when I whine too much, he'll sometimes rub my back. And still sometimes.
Thank you. Give me a little bit of credit.
I did give you credit.
I know, a little bit.
You
all I
deserve a little bit. All right, so we're excited to meet this baby. We still don't know if it's a boy or a girl. We've got some names and ideas, but we're not going to tell you till the baby is in our arms because we like to see him first. And we're excited. Now we're headed. Are you going to get your hair and beard cut?
We're gonna go get my hair cut for sure.
So we can shave your beard when we get home?
I don't know. We'll see. What do you guys think? Leave it in the
Vote for
comments
the beard
below.
off. They don't have to kiss your beard.
Vote for the beard.
He cares about everybody's opinion except for the people who actually have to kiss his face.
Tell us what you think. Beard on or beard off?
Tell him that it's really what the person kissing him prefers.
Oh.
Where are you? Are you excited?
Warning. Trampoline use involves an inherent risk. Impact can result in serious or fatal head injury, paralysis, and fracture. Jump at your own risk.
Oh. Where are you? Are you excited? Who are we going to jump with? Annabelle. And who else? And who else? Baby Forrest. Okay. Yay, are you excited?
Yeah.
That'll be good.
This is Urban Air. It's a trampoline place. Every Wednesday and every Friday they have like toddler free day or something like that. So it only costs us like $8 to get in and then bounce for a couple hours with the kiddo. So that's why we're here right now. We're gonna do some jumping. We're gonna have some fun. There's gonna be lots and lots of loads and lots of fun. And yeah, so, yep, okay. Hey buddy, good jumping. Good jumping. Jumpy, jumperoo. The things I do for vlogs. Oh God. I'm gonna break this. I'm gonna break this thing. Look who's here. It's Kaylee and Tyler. Hi. Hey, Annabelle. How are you feeling? Good. You ready to play? Good. You didn't? Surprise, surprise. Play too hard sometimes.
Bye, Ty. See ya.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Annabelle Belly. Love you.
I love you.
Bye, Dale. Bye, Forrest. Oh, thanks. Are you hugging me? I like that. I can't see you, but that's my belly.
See you, Kaylee. Kids, bye. See ya.
Alright, good fun.
Okay. You ready? Are we gonna give you a little hair trim?
Tray.
Here, Scott, I'm gonna put this on the thing. So nervous. Hey, can I hold your hand? I'll hold your hand.
Thank you. Good luck.
They'll do a good job, huh? Can you say hi? Show me your hairdo.
Show me. See.
Look at my hair.